place the users at the core of our vision, and with our Trumore digital platform, we provide an endless experience world to our users. In this way, we aim to build an ecosystem where we work together with our startup partners to build the future of mobility.
Our 3D culinary assistant was developed to make meal planning stress-free for Togg drivers and passengers. Using advanced large language models, this interactive avatar offers cooking advice and restaurant recommendations, understands user inputs, and responds naturally in real time. It can suggest recipes, order ingredients, or guide users to nearby restaurants, making everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable.
Our culinary assistant will offer remarkable convenience to our users. It will help them decide what to cook or where to eat. It will prepare shopping lists for choosing meals and will save time on grocery shopping. In the near future, it will also provide an online market shopping experience.
By collaborating with Togg, we have taken a step forward, making cutting-edge technology a natural part of everyday mobility, creating meaningful value for users beyond the drive.
Collaborations like Cerebrum reflect our commitment to delivering smart solutions that simplify everyday life and create a more connected living experience.